Your grandfather's victory garden wasn't just about growing food, it was about growing the right food. Because, believe it or not, there are 15 crops that once filled American dinner tables, but are now completely banned from your backyard. Some will shock you. Others might already be growing in your neighbor's yard without them even knowing it. The reasons why might change how you think about gardening forever.
Number 15. Castor bean.
With its dramatic red seed pods and star-shaped leaves, the castor bean plant looked like pure Victorian elegance. People used its oil as a household remedy for generations. But hidden inside those glossy seeds is ricin, one of the most lethal natural toxins known to science. Just a few seeds can be fatal. As suburban neighborhoods filled with children, the risk became too high. Garden centers quietly stopped selling it. Beauty replaced by fear.
Number 14. Kudzu.
During the Dust Bowl, kudzu was a hero. The government paid farmers to plant it. It prevented erosion. It fed livestock. Then it kept growing, and growing, and growing. Kudzu can grow up to a foot per day, swallowing trees, houses, power lines. Today it covers millions of acres across the South. A miracle crop turned green invasion.
Number 13.
Giant hogweed. Towering up to 15 feet tall with massive white flower heads, giant hogweed looks like something out of a fantasy novel, but its sap reacts with sunlight. Touch it, and your skin can blister like a third-degree burn. Entire areas now treat it as a public health hazard. One brush against it can leave permanent scars.
Number 12. Opium poppy.
Delicate petals, soft colors, garden perfection. But inside those pods, the raw source of morphine and heroin. Even if grown purely for decoration, authorities saw too much risk. A flower that once symbolized beauty became a symbol of narcotics enforcement.
Number 11.
Japanese knotweed. In Japan, young shoots are eaten like rhubarb. In America, it's called one of the most invasive plants on Earth. Its roots can grow 10 feet deep and crack concrete foundations. Mortgage lenders have even denied loans over infestations. A plant so aggressive, it can devalue property.
Number 10. Water hyacinth.
Floating purple flowers, elegant, peaceful, until they double in size every 2 weeks. They block sunlight, drain oxygen, and suffocate lakes. Entire waterways have been shut down because of it. Sometimes beauty floats, and sometimes it spreads.
Number 9.
Coca plant. For thousands of years, indigenous communities chewed coca leaves for energy and altitude relief. But in the U.S., the plant is inseparable from cocaine. Even one plant can trigger federal charges. A cultural tradition in one country, a criminal offense in another. Number 8. Peyote cactus. Small, round, harmless looking, yet it contains mescaline, a powerful hallucinogen. Legal only for specific Native American religious ceremonies. For everyone else, strictly prohibited. Number 7. Tree of heaven. It grows fast, thrives in poor soil, perfect for cities, until it spreads uncontrollably and damages sidewalks, foundations, and ecosystems. Worse, it's the favored host of the destructive spotted lanternfly. Many states now require its removal. Number 6. Garlic mustard. Wrought by settlers as food and medicine, today it releases chemicals into the soil that stop other plants from growing. It hijacks forests from the inside, an edible herb turned ecological saboteur. Number 5. Multiflora rose. Planted as living fences and wildlife cover, its rose hips are packed with vitamin C, but it forms dense, thorny walls that crowd out native plants. Farmers now spend thousands removing what was once encouraged. Number 4. Hydrilla. Sold in aquarium shops for its clean, oxygenating qualities. In the wild, it clogs boat motors, irrigation systems, and entire lakes. A single fragment can start a new infestation. Billions have been spent trying to control it. Number 3. Giant Salvinia. Soft, velvety leaves floating on the surface. It doubles its mass every few days. Soon, sunlight disappears. Oxygen collapses. Life underneath dies. A silent aquatic killer. Number 2. Brazilian Elodea. Imported for aquariums, escaped into rivers. It grows inches per day, filling entire water systems. Tiny fragments create massive infestations. Once it's there, it's nearly impossible to remove. Number 1. Water chestnut. Once harvested as food along the East Coast, nutritious, storable, reliable. But it forms dense mats that block swimming, fishing, and boating. Its sharp spines injure swimmers and puncture equipment. Now, states run active removal programs to control it.
History doesn't just teach us what to plant, it teaches us what not to.
Some crops were too toxic, some too aggressive, and some too powerful. Gardening isn't just about what grows well, it's about what belongs. If you enjoyed uncovering these forgotten agricultural secrets, subscribe for more stories about the plants that shaped and nearly reshaped America.